Hello friends and potential friends. Now, I was watching a video over on Crazy Days yesterday, one that Wanda put up, and she issued a challenge. She and Danny have set, set a goal of trying to have something growing on their property 365 days of the year, and she took us around and showed how in the middle of January she could go out in her yard and pick some food to eat. So I figured I'd go ahead and join in on her challenge and show you what I can come out here and get out of my backyard. So let's take a look. This time of year in Central Florida, it's January 19th, and I tend to concentrate on greens and other brassicas. So I'm going to build myself a salad out here. Might even share it with Mama Cat over there. First, we'll start off with couple of collard leaves. I've been trying to avoid picking collards because I intend to save up enough to do some canning before too long. But I can still come out here and pick a salad every day if I want to. A couple of the cabbage collard leaves. And let's see. I like the savory taste. A lot of people don't, but I like the taste of mustard. So I'm going to add a couple of leaves from that in there too. Oh, those are nice looking leaves. Look at the size of those things. Hi, Mama Cat. Hello, Licorice. How you doing? Let's see, got some more collards. These are the Vates collards here. I haven't eaten any of those yet this year. I'll stick a couple of them in the salad too. So that's the main bulk of it. Got more collards down here. Over on this side, we've got a little bit of kale. I believe this is a curly Scotch variety. So we'll add a couple of kale leaves into the salad. And then we've got a variety of Swiss chard. So let's pick some of that, add some color to the salad. There's another good one. While I'm in here, I've got some leaf lettuce growing. Not real big yet, but it's still growing. I can pick a few leaves here and there. This patch is a little bit better than the other one there. I'm not sure if that's because of timing of when I scattered the seeds or what, but actually this patch probably gets just a little bit more sunlight than that first one down there. Although right at the moment the first one's in the sun and the second one's kind of semi-shaded. And let's see, let's get a little bit more color. Now this guy over here, this is a gourmet salad mix that I got from Ray's Little Shop of Seeds. It's a variety of different types of lettuces that are all mixed in together, so you get a little bit of color, a little bit of variation, and a little bit of changes in the flavor. These guys out here are doing pretty good. So we'll throw some of that on there. And then we got some cabbage down here, but I'm going to leave that alone. I guess I could put a little bit of cilantro in here. Though I never did get around to putting out more cilantro seeds. Guess there's still time, it's only January. With any luck, these greens will be growing through until springtime. And then out here at the end, I'm not expecting to get anything, but it won't be too long before I can come out here and start picking some tomatoes. Like, for example, that little guy right there. Hope you can see him. I'm keeping my eye on that one, because that's probably going to be the first one that gets big enough to be edible. A couple more in here that are about the same size, but that's going to make a pretty good salad. And I hardly even made a dent in the plants. But I'm going to go inside, chop this up, mix up a little bit of oil and vinegar, and I'm going to eat a fresh salad for lunch. So just a short one. I know I've been gone for a while. Had some issues I had to take care of, but I'm getting them straightened out a little bit now, and so I can get back into making a few videos here and there, and maybe be able to do some editing for a change. That's been my big hang up. Had an issue with my eyes that made it real difficult for me to edit the videos that I shoot. So I took a little bit of break, but went to the doctor yesterday and had a procedure done, and I'm getting to the point where I can see again, so I'm getting back at it. So if you all want to take this challenge, let's see what you've got growing that you can go out and eat. To be fair, most of my stuff is outside. Danny and Wanda have got their greenhouses and things. If y'all have a greenhouse, that's fair game too. I frankly don't have room for one in my backyard, so I haven't bothered to build one. Besides which, it's, what did I say it was, January 19th. It's shortly afternoon, and it's about 65 degrees here. So it's kind of hard to justify needing a big greenhouse. But anyway, if you want to join in on the challenge that Wanda laid down, by all means do so. And I'll see you on the next video.